Hi everyone, meteorologist Chad Evans here with a look at your daily weather forecast video, sponsored always by Trent Johnson State Farm. TrentIsMyAgent.com. A little under the weather today, but the weather doesn't stop. We'll have a good local detailed forecast and hopefully get a little bit of rest and get some strength back here. There's so much going around. I know in our family and just community-wide right now, flu, COVID, influenza A, influenza B, bronchitis, you name it. But we had the hail yesterday morning, anywhere from P to even one report of ping pong ball sized hail near Dunkirk here in Cass County. But this whole strip here from two main elevated little supercells produced the hail, some places whitening the ground, and then the ground whitened up here near Francisville by some pea-sized hail as well. And then yesterday evening, we had three gusts that were measured at more than 45 miles an hour. One was the 48 north of Thorntown, the 57 near Michigantown, and the 56 here just off to the northeast of Newmarket. Otherwise, not much wind from any of these storms. Not only the storms that came down through this area, but the garden variety storms here. And then we had some pretty heavy storms late in the evening and last night come through our northern counties with a few reports of pea-sized hail. And we had a few pea-sized hail reports down here as well. But now it's much colder. Of course, the wind is the big story, especially today. And we've got scattered snow showers in the forecast by later in the weekend. Rainfall as well by the mid and latter parts of next week, even a little bit of snow. And then overall above normal precipitation kind of dominating from this point right through March. The only drier time period is there's going to be a little bout kind of around St. Patrick's Day, near the first day of spring, probably a week there where it's pretty dry. But otherwise, we're going to really chip away at long-term drought and abnormal dryness in the area. There are a few of the light rain showers and snow showers, little flakes around this morning. And then this afternoon, all the low clouds around that are gradually breaking up from southwest to northeast. So we'll keep that clearing trend going slowly tonight. So temperatures getting much colder, dropping into the upper teens to mid-20s. But the wind has been the big story. You know, we take away any rain, any wind we got from thunderstorms, just the gradient wind today from the strong low pressure that produced especially a lot of severe weather down in the southern part of the state. Look at these gusts measured. 54 Fowler today, gust of 44 at the Purdue Airport, 47 at Lafayette Timber House Airport, 46 at the Frankfurt Airport, even 48 at Galveston, 54 Flora, one gust of 49 at Fulton, gust of 49 at Monon, and even 52 at the Rensselaer Jasper County Airport today. And temperatures much colder after the record warmth as expected. Look at these numbers. Only mid-30s at Lafayette. There's the freezing line. It's only 30 at Rochester, but we're 40 Covington and we're 39 at Rockville. Now these are the rainfall, rainfall totals that we also saw last night. Again, some of the heaviest rain was in a strip here over Jasper County, and then from Park County right through Montgomery County, Clinton, and up here into Howard and Tipton counties. This area, there were some spots that got 2 or more inches of rain out of this, and even up here near Rensselaer, 1-2 inches of rain fell. The area that had the least amount of rain was Lafayette back to West Lebanon, Rainsville area, Green Hill back to Pence. But this band right here was the heaviest in the whole area, with some places reading 2 1/10 inches of rainfall. And also some pretty heavy rainfall in this little band from Kentland up through Rensselaer and pretty close to Medaryville. Now, we look through this evening, right through tomorrow and Saturday evening. Again, a few clouds tonight, cold night ahead, but the winds will diminish some. And then some increasing clouds tomorrow. There could be a couple sprinkles or a few spotty or isolated snow showers or flurries around. And then we see scattered snow showers begin to pivot in from the northwest with increasing clouds. You see right here tomorrow night. We've got those scattered snow showers in here on Sunday and Sunday night, especially over the northeastern, about 3/4 of the forecast area, with still quite a bit of wind as well. And the scattered snow showers, at least some will last into part of Monday. And there could be some dustings and coatings out of those snow showers as well, but they certainly diminish Monday. And then we watch a little clipper that may bring a few sleet and snow showers around Tuesday. This will zip through just a few isolated sleet and snow showers. The accumulating snow will be northeast of our area. But there are your dustings. You see the key here on this side of the graphic. Again, the blues indicate some dustings, coatings here, a few tenths of an inch of snow, half inch of snow. Here from snow showers Saturday night, Sunday night, and early Monday. Now we look mid next week and into the following weekend. So we get some rain in here by Wednesday and Thursday. That may end as a little bit of snow. Watch this system here. There's your rain. Ends as a little snow, a lot of wind with it. And then we watch for some snow showers to come in next weekend with a lot of wind and much colder weather as well. And I think getting into early March, we're going to have opportunities for maybe a system or two like this, one that develops in the panhandle of Texas, moves east-northeastward, and we may see snow like this overspread the area and get some decent accumulations as temperatures will be dominantly below normal, well below normal, as the first batch of cold comes in for the weekend, and then we have two other big batches of cold that follow. So cold batch 1, and then you have cold batch 2 that comes in from the northwest, and then you'll have a third cold batch that'll come in from the northwest beyond that. Again, this is now right through early March, and I think we'll have in early March a period or a few nights where temperatures are single digits for lows given the snowpack that is expected. So 24 tonight, winds will bring those wind chills down to single digits to the teens, and a high of only 38 tomorrow, some increasing clouds. There's the wind cranking up still in the afternoon with wind chills in the 20s with highs 34 to 40 area-wide. Sunday, a scattering of snow showers, 30, and wind chills down into the teens. Breezy Monday, couple snow showers linger, only 28 for a high when your normal is 41. Tuesday, a couple snow and sleet showers, 38 as we cloud up. We cloud up again Wednesday, some showers late in the day with 50. And then falling temperatures Thursday, we get the rain. Wednesday night into Thursday, ending with some snow showers, 42, then falling into the low 30s. Cold Friday with some scattered snow showers, windy and 31. And then more in the way of mix and snow ahead for next weekend, with temperatures running much below normal, highs only in the 20s.